going on YouTube? Today I'm working on my Silverado suspension since lately it's been popping the 2 fuses back here with my air compressors, and I'll go ahead and show you down here. So this is just a better look at the compressors. They're mounted in this bracket that I had welded to the frame. So lately what I've noticed is that in the morning the tank is all drained out and no more air, so I have to air it all the way from 0. And once it's all aired up, at the second time it'll pop both fuses. So what I'm thinking is going to be the check valves right here. So I already removed both of them. So these are common to go out right here, and I've had the system for like 3 years, so it's probably about time to change it out since air is supposed to only flow one direction. Now when it's sitting, the air is flowing back and airing out the truck right there. So I'm gonna replace both of these. On mine, you can see that the arrow is going towards the right, and if you purchase different ones, they're gonna have the arrows going in different directions, so just make sure you get the correct part. For example, these two right here are brand new, and they're 1/4 inch male to 1/4 inch female, but the air just flows in different directions. This one is going towards the female, and then this one is going towards the male side. And in my case, I'll be using this one, and the part number is right here. So I have another one, and I do like to use the Loctite 545 instead of Teflon tape, but I'll have these items linked down below in the description if you guys wanted to check them out as well. So I'll just go ahead and add some sealant on the threads right here. I don't want to add too much, but I want to make sure that it's not going to leak. Alright, that should be enough right there. Alright, so I got this side done, and right here on the male side, they do come with some pre-applied thread sealant, but I still like to add a little bit more. So I just added an extra layer of the sealant, even though that it does have some from the factory, but I prefer to add some more myself. The fittings are all connected, and I let the sealant dry a little bit right there, so I'll go ahead and test it out now. Alright guys, so I just finished up airing up the tank, and the pressure is still good, so that means that the valves were supposed to be changed out, but now I'm still getting the fuses popping. And what I decided to do is open up my air filters and clean them out. And these are the filters right here that I removed off the compressor, and I have had this system for like 3 or 4 years. I've never changed them or cleaned them, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you right here. I already popped it off. This is the filter inside, and I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but they're a little bit dirty. And the bottom tabs, you can see where the filter is cleaner, and on the top it's all clogged up with dirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to replace them or clean them out and see if that's gonna help out as well. But most likely it's gonna be this that's popping the fuses, making the compressor work harder. What I'll do is try to blow it all out today and see if that works. If that doesn't work, then I'll just go ahead and order some replacement filters. So they look much better now, and I'll go ahead and test them out. I also did go ahead and change out the other one because I have 2 compressors, and I'll probably order a set of these so that I can have some extras in case this happens later on. I don't have to, clean them out because I don't know how long they'll last, but this looks pretty good right now, and I'll go ahead and test it out. And the cover uses these little notches. They got to be lined up just like this, so it's about like 3 of them. And if they don't line up, then it's not going to go back in place easy. So after that, it's, just a snap on. And I just took them apart with a flathead. So I'll change my fuses again, and that one looks very toasted. So let me go ahead and try the new one. The pressure on the tank looks good, and I'll go ahead and air it up and down to cycle the compressors and make sure that the fuses are not gonna pop anymore. So I'll add a little bit of air or something here, just to make the compressors kick on and off. All right, you can hear them kick on right there. Finally, my tank PSI is back to normal, it's being stable, and the fuses are not popping anymore. So cleaning my air filters definitely helped out right there. Alright guys, so I got the truck out here, and it does turn out that I had to clean out the filters or swap them out, so now it's good and it's not popping the fuses anymore. Having dirty or clogged up air filters on my compressors was making it work harder, and that's why I was pulling more amperage and popping the 40 amp fuses. Essentially, it was straining my compressors, and if you're having a similar issue where the fuses are popping right away, even if you replace them with a bigger fuse, then I would definitely change the air filters or clean them out. And on the leak side, it was just a check valve, so I did have to replace them because the air tank was leaking all the way out. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.